today's listing is not merely a corporate milestone, it's a reflection of the bold vision to transform natural resources into shared prosperity, and to do so with integrity, with innovation, and deep respect for the continent's people and environment. The JSE proudly hosts 278 companies with a combined market cap exceeding 20 trillion, reflecting the strength and resilience of our financial ecosystem.
It's exciting to bring Shuka Minerals to the JSE. We wanted to bring it to South Africa early. We wanted to enable South Africans to invest in Shuka Minerals at a very early stage in our growth. It enables the South African investors, both institutional and retail, to get involved in the stock, follow the story, follow what we're doing. You get a belief in the company, you get to follow the story for a while, and then you feel as though you're part of the London listing as well. So that's the whole ethos behind the dual listing. A little bit about Shuka. It was Edenville Energy. It's been on the AIM board in London for 20 years. We're repositioning the company. We still have the Rukwa coal mine in Tanzania, which will require a small amount of capex to get it going again. I think lacked a little bit of funding, a little bit of love and care. That's very easy to solve. And then our prime focus is the Kabwe lead zinc mine in Zambia. World famous. The old Broken Hill mine is originally named. It's where they found the Broken Hill man, which the skull resides obviously in London in the Natural History Museum, so as with most artifacts from around the world. We are going to redevelop that. It opened in 1904, it shut in 1995. There's 16 million tons grading at 12 to 14% zinc and 3 or 4% lead. Plus there's vanadium oxide, silver, and we found gallium there as well. So that's very exciting. The final process with Leopard Exploration and Mining will close on the 11th of June. And then it's a matter of understanding the geology. My background is a geologist and a financier. And we'll get to the point then when we decide that we need to dewater various pits. Obviously the water treatment, we need to be very careful what we do with it. So the ESG and the corporate and social responsibility side of things is paramount. It probably wasn't in 1904 when it first opened. We are going to have to be careful when we work with the communities up there. But we've met with the district commissioner and all the people there, and everybody is absolutely excited about the future of Kabwe. The city or the town grew up on Kabwe, and everybody's eager to get back to work, get their jobs back, dewater the pits and get going again and bring it back to its former glory.
SKA is what you're listing as, Shuka Minerals, PLC, and the ISIN code there is your GBO. That just signifies that it is a company registered in GB, so Britain. We're quite proud of our trading solution that publishes all of this data all over the world. It is situated just below here, and those numbers are quite staggering if you really do think about what we're publishing every day on the equity market. We're looking at about 20 plus million orders a day, translated also into about 400,000 trades. And that goes into roughly 300 to 400, if not 500 orders every second. Now that microsecond that we always like comparing, how fast is a microsecond actually? If you blink 300 milliseconds, we would have sent that order to London, back and to London again in that time. So just to give you an idea of, some of you might have seen the stock exchange in its heyday when we were shouting orders at each other. This is all electronic, it's all on screen, and that's the speeds we're really looking at, and the system. Incidentally, similar system, slightly smaller than is being run in London for the LSE, so the share should feel right at home here, really duplicating itself in South Africa.